Hi, in our last lesson we learned how to use regular IR verbs in the present tense. That was lesson 114. So this is lesson 115. Now that you know how to use regular IR verbs, we're going to look at the verb escribir, which means to write. Escribir is a regular IR verb, which means if you know the endings for regular IR verbs, you can easily conjugate escribir. So let's go ahead and practice with that. If I want to say in Spanish, I write, I do write, or I am writing, remember we start with the root, which you find by removing the IR. So we have our root and we have our subject pronoun. All we have to do is add our ending here. Yo escribo. Yo escribo, which means I write, I do write, or I am writing. You write. Tú escribes. Tú escribes. You write using usted. Usted escribe. He writes. Él escribe. She writes. Ella escribe. We write. Nosotros or nosotras. Escribimos. You write. Vosotros or vosotras. Escribís. You write. Ustedes escriben. And finally, they write. Ellos or ellas escriben. So the 6 forms are escribo, escribes, escribe, escribimos, escribís, escriben. 2 nouns that are commonly used with the verb escribir are una carta, a letter, un correo electrónico, an email. So let's look at a few examples here. If I want to say I write a letter, I would say escribo una carta. I write an email, escribo un correo electrónico. You write a letter, usted escribe una carta. You write an email. Usted escribe un correo electrónico. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.